Alright, what's up guys? So we about to swap out the turbo. We finally got a ball bearing. Got a gt3071r. It's an eBay turbo, but it's a lot smaller. I think it's gonna spool a lot faster. check out this V6 right here. It's good, Dean.
Yeah.
What you doing with this, man?
3.6 swap going in.
3.6, yo. And he did all this shit by himself. Like, he customized all this by himself. So
the wiring and shit on. Get this shit breathing.
if you want to get anything you want to get done, man, make sure you hit up Dean. He's gonna hook you up. But yeah, we about to swap out this turbo. So I'm recording by myself, so it's shit gonna be like kind of shaky and stuff. So yep. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the V-band. Yo, hold this shit for me, bro. Dickhead. There you go. Alright, so this shit is kind of hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. But the next step is we're gonna remove all this floor, and we're gonna see if it's gonna be a direct fit, which I doubt, because the exhaust housing on the ball bearing turbo is kind of smaller. So yeah, so I'm gonna let it cool down and remove these 4 bolts, and we're gonna swap them shit out. All right guys, so we ran into some problem. Oh, fuck, almost bust my ass. But yeah, this thing not gonna fit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it and see if it's gonna fit. So
today. La 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 la. Pacific.
But we can actually use nuts too, you know.
Yeah, use
I don't have any nuts.
What do you mean? You have nuts?
I didn't.
You didn't a mechanic
Wait,
shop?
actually, I think I have
You ain't a mechanic shop.
I think I have some extra one in
We
the
put
back.
some on and we cut a piece off of each one so we clear the V-band. Put on the nut first and then we cut them.
Alright.
With the washer.
So this guy here, he got a slow ass G35, and he think he gonna get my A4. I don't know about that, man. You gonna do what? You gonna gap who? Bro, you ain't gonna gap nobody with this, bro. Bro, that shit stock, bro. I don't know, man. So if anybody want to see this race, let me know. So
They say them attacker, movers and shakers.
what's up, guys? So we did install the turbo. As you can see, it's a lot smaller, and it's also a ball bearing turbo. And we did upgrade the piping for the intercooler. And yeah, man, she's looking very nice right now, and she's spooling a lot faster comparing to the gt3071r. And the next thing I got to do is get it tuned. I got to get dyno tuned, and also we're gonna have to upgrade the AEB head, because with the AEB head you get better flow, and the manifold is like a lot bigger on the AEB head. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and we also gonna get connecting rods too. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and so you won't miss out. This built is for, you know, anybody who don't have enough money, you know, to get a fast car, but you want to go fast, but you don't want a Civic. Not saying anything wrong with a Civic, but if you want to be a little bit different, you like your little 1.8, this built is for you guys. So we're gonna see how much horsepower we can make with this. Yeah, that's pretty much it.